Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'll be showing you guys this curtain bang wig from UNice hair. I am so excited to bring you guys this video because this unit turned out to be so freaking adorable, and I'm going to be showing you guys different ways that you can wear this unit. I feel like it's perfect for the spring, and overall it's just a 10 out of 10. It's just very cute. So I'm so excited to be bringing y'all this video. But before we hop into it, make sure y'all give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you're lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. All right, y'all, so let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing. So as you guys can see, their logo is right here, UNice. Let's see what they got. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. This is the wig. It's just kind of like in this little package. Oh, and then I got some goodies. They brought me a toothbrush, edge toothbrush, and then they sent a elastic band for the lace. They sent a HD wig cap, actually 2 of those. And then what's this? I think these are just extra elastic bands. So I got 3 elastic bands, and so that's everything that was in the package. So let's just go ahead and open up this wig and see what it's giving, because I'm a little bit nervous. I believe that this is a new product that I have not tried yet, so I'm like but it does say pre-everything on it, so I shouldn't have to do much but just put her on. Okay, so this is what the unit looks like once I took it out of the package. They also have included this rod right in the front, this little roller, and I'm thinking that this is preserving those curls in the front with the bang. And then they also have attached 2 pieces of lace tape, so this should help with the install process. But so far so good. The lace on this unit looks absolutely amazing. It literally looks like scalp, and I haven't done anything to it, so I'm super excited to try this wig out. Also, this unit is super plucked as well. I don't think I'm gonna have to go in and pluck either. It is super plucked, and the lace is super thin as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my bonnet off, and then we can try this wig on. Let's see what it looks like. So I see, so there's curtain bangs, and then there's curls. However, there is lace tape right here, which is going to allow the top of the unit to still be glueless. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just lay that down now, and then we can start with the styling process. And remove this lace tape, and I'm going to attach this right in front of my sideburns, and then just firmly place that there. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Okay, so now that the wig is on, as you guys can see, it is still glueless at the top, and I did not have to apply any glue at all, just used the lace tape. So let's see what these bangs are giving. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm just going to finger comb through the curls and kind of just get a feel for how I want to style this unit. Even though it's pretty much already styled for me, I think I'm just probably just gonna like jazz it up just a little bit. But I love the way that these bangs are sitting. They're literally like the perfect length, and I was a little bit worried that I was gonna have to go in and cut these because I'm not a professional at all when it comes to cutting a bang. So I'm kind of glad that it's like the perfect length, and so I won't have to do much at all other than just kind of like recurl the hair, I guess. But this is cute. I like it already, and I haven't even done anything to it. Literally just took it out of the box and placed it on my head. But y'all know we gotta flatten her out, especially at the top, just to give it a more natural look. These curls are super full and bouncy, so I might just have to go in and just like retouch up just a few pieces. But for the most part, like I said, this unit is already styled for me, so I'm not gonna have to do much at all. I'm just gonna play with it for a little bit and just see what we come up with. And for the bang, I'm just gonna give it like a little bump, and then I'm gonna place that curler I'm gonna place that rod right back into it just to hold that curl. And then I'm going to take this rod and kind of like comb it through. And I'm just gonna let that set while I continue to play in this hair. All right, so now that I have the curls nice and just how I like them, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this rod and just kind of see where we are with the bang. So I'm just going to split it and comb it down. So just right here in the middle, I am gonna cut the hair just a little bit where it's gonna fall on top of my eyes because I don't want it to irritate me. So I'm just gonna cut just a little bit off. Let's see. Okay, yeah. See, that's better. I like that. So this is what it's giving. I love how this wig came pre everything. I did not have to do much at all, and I just feel like this is such a look. You guys don't see me very often with a bang, so this is kind of like new for y'all. So let me know in the comments if y'all like it or if y'all not feeling it. I'm open to whatever y'all think, but for me personally, I think that it's cute. I feel like I would be able to definitely style this a couple of different ways, in which I'm about to try to see what I can come up with because this is cute. I feel like a little updo moment would be cute, a claw clip moment would be cute, a half up, half down would be cute. So let's just see what we can come up with right quick. So if I was just to take half of the hair and kind of pull it back, that's cute. Okay, let me do the other side. So I'm just gonna connect the two in the back with a claw clip. I'm gonna take a claw clip and yeah, I feel like I look like a little doll. Do y'all see that? That is really cute. Okay, yes, I definitely love this hairstyle. I can honestly see me wearing this with like a bow or something. This is super spring. I can see me with like a flowy dress or something, and it's like hair is so cute. I want to try to do like a updo and see if I could pull it off. I know this is not like a 360 wig, however I think I could finesse it, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna try a little updo moment and see what we can get. Okay, so I'm about to try to create like a Pamela Anderson moment. If y'all don't know what that is, basically just like a super cute, messy, curly bun with no direction. So I'm just gonna like use like a couple clips and see what I can come up with. What do we think? Updo? Yes or no? I love this. I feel like it's so girly and so cute. This just screams spring to me, and I'm in love. Like, I feel so girly like this. I feel like I'm about to go to prom or something. Like, I feel like a princess. I feel like a fairy. I like it. Let me know if y'all like it in the comments because I am in love. I love this a lot. Okay, so I just showed y'all 3 different hairstyles that y'all can do with this wig. I am so in love with it. I did not think that I was gonna like it, but I am pleasantly surprised. I feel like this is something that I would definitely be throwing on. It's glueless, it's easy to put on, and it's versatile. So I just don't see why not. Like, this is literally the perfect unit for spring, and I cannot wait to take pictures and show her off because, like, I just feel so cute. I just feel like a freaking doll in this hair. In case y'all don't believe me, this is still 100% glueless. I did not apply any glue whatsoever. So yeah, I don't really have nothing else to show y'all. This wig, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I definitely approve this unit. And I'm just gonna do one more easy style to close out the video because I just want to show y'all one more little cute little style. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take this twist and connect it in the back. Okay, you guys, so that's the last hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and are looking forward to purchasing this unit because it is literally perfect. I love it so much. Of course, all of the links to everything on this unit will be listed down below, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But before we close out this video, make sure y'all give me a like and a comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, you lit too, and that's on what? That's on here. period. So yeah, y'all, that is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.